Hi friends, welcome to my channel Architect. My name is Ronak and I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So let's start. First of all, open your default browser or Chrome browser which will you use and tap on search bar and type WhatsApp web and click enter. And the research result was shown in few seconds. Click on WhatsApp web download. Click on download. First result on Google, and the official site of WhatsApp web is open. Scroll down the page and the right side you will see the download for WhatsApp. The download for Windows were icon shown on right side. Click on this and click save. The download will start automatically. Here is this will take up to 15 minutes to download, so I'll skip this video. Here I am downloaded WhatsApp web setup. Double click on WhatsApp setup. Wait for few seconds. You can see the WhatsApp icon was shown on display. Here the WhatsApp will open. That's it. You can see WhatsApp were installed successfully, and it's run smoothly on Windows 10. Here is come QR code. You can scan this QR code which come in few seconds. You can scan this QR code using which smartphone operating system you will use. If you use Android smartphone, then open your WhatsApp app, click on menu button and click on WhatsApp web. Your WhatsApp in your phone, your WhatsApp web, when you click WhatsApp web, the camera will open, and using this camera you can scan this code. or even if you can use iPhone or Windows 10 or Windows smartphone, so use this type of. So thank you so much to watch this video. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe on my channel, or if you want to tell something, then comment your comments on comment box. Thank you so much.